ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു പി എസ് സി ഇൻസൈറ്റ്. ഇന്ന് നമ്മളിവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് കേരള പി എസ് സി സെപ്റ്റംബർ 16 നടത്തിയ ടെക്നിക്കൽ ഇൻസ്ട്രക്ടർ ഫോർ ഇലക്ട്രിക്കൽ എന്ന എക്സാമിൻ്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറും അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ കീയുമാണ്. SC ഡെവലപ്മെൻറ്റ് ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റിലേക്കാണ് കേരള പി എസ് സി ഈ എക്സാം കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഒന്നാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം നോക്കാം. If in a conductor n is the number of free electron available per meter cube, v be the axial drift velocity of electron in meter per second, a is the area of cross section of the conductor, and E is the charge of free electron, then what will be the current density J? Answer option D, NeV. Second question. If there are three resistors of R ohm in which two resistors are connected in parallel and third resistor is connected in series with this parallel combination, what will be the effective resistance of the series parallel circuit? Answer option C, R plus 2R divided by 2. Third question. Resistance of a material is independent of options magnetic flux, length, nature of material, temperature. ഇതിലെ റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഓഫ് മെറ്റീരിയൽ ഇൻഡിപെൻഡൻറ്റ് ഓഫ് ഓപ്ഷൻ എ മാഗ്നറ്റിക് ഫ്ലക്സ് ആണ്. നാലാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം. വാട്ട് വിൽ ബി ദ കറണ്ട് ഡ്രോൺ ബൈ എ ലാമ്പ് ഓഫ് റേറ്റിംഗ് 230 വോൾട്ട്, 100 വാട്ട് when it is connected across 50 volt DC supply? Answer option A, 0.0945 ampere. Fifth question. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to option B, 36 into 10 raised to 5 joule. Sixth question. What is the unit of power? Answer option B, joule per second. 7. According to Kirchhoff's voltage law in a closed loop, answer is option C, sigma IR plus sigma EMF equal to 0. Eighth question. When two resistors R1 and R2 are connected in series and this series combination is connected across V volt, what will be the voltage across resistor R1? Option A, V by R1 plus R2 bilateral into R1. Ninth question. Two resistors 4 ohm and R ohm are connected in parallel across 20 volt supply. What will be the value of unknown resistor R when 100 watt power is dissipated in it? Answer option B, 4 ohm. 10th question. The circuit whose properties or characteristics are the same in either direction is options linear, non-linear, both A and B, none of these. Answer is option C, both A and B. 11th question. What is the unit of absolute permittivity? Option A ആണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം, ഫാരഡ് പെർ മീറ്റർ. 12ാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം. അക്കോർഡിംഗ് ടു കൂളംസ് ലോ, വാട്ട് വിൽ ബി ദ ഫോഴ്സ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ ടു ചാർജസ് Q1 and Q2 at a distance R meters in vacuum? Answer is option A, 9 into 10 raised to 9 Q1 Q2 divided by D square. 13th question. Unit of electric field is option C, Newton per coulomb. 14. If in shifting 1 coulomb of positive charge from infinity to a certain point in the electric field, the work done and potential of that point are? Option A is the right answer, 1 joule and 1 volt. 15th question. The capacitance of a multiplate capacitor is option A, n minus 1 epsilon 0 epsilon r A divided by D. 16th question. When two capacitors 10 microfarad and 20 microfarad are connected in series, what will be its equivalent capacitance? Option C is the right answer, 6.66 in microfarad. 17. The ratio of intensity of magnetization I to the magnetizing force H is called. Option D, answer susceptibility. 18. Which parameter in magnetic circuit is analogous to resistivity in electric circuit? Answer option C, relativity. 19. Ratio of total flux to the useful flux is. Option D, leakage coefficient. 20. Which one is the diamagnetic material? Options aluminium, nickel, bismuth, iron. Answer is option C, bismuth. 21. Amplitude factor is the ratio of. Option C is the right answer, maximum value and RMS value. 22. The current flowing in a purely inductive circuit is. Option B, Im sin omega t minus pi by 2. 23. The value of J is. Option A, root of minus 1. 24. Q factor is the ratio of. Option A is the right answer, Z by R. 25. A coil is connected in series with a pure capacitor. The combination is fed from a 10 volt supply of 10,000 Hz. It was observed that the maximum current of 2 ampere flows in the circuit when the capacitor is of value 1 microfarad. What is the value of R? Answer is option B, 5 ohm. 26. The instantaneous value of voltage across a capacitor of 10 farad is Vm sin 314t. What will be the reactance of the circuit? Answer is 1 by 1000 pi ohm. 27. R12, R23 and R31 are the three resistors in star configuration. What will be the expression of R1 in delta configuration? Answer is option A, R12 into R31 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31. 28. What is the RMS value of rectified alternating current? Option D is the right answer, Im by 2. The maximum value of instantaneous power of pure capacitive circuit is. Option B is the right answer, Vm by 2 into Im. 30. In a three-phase star connected system, the angle between line voltage and its phase voltage is. Answer is option C, 30 degree. 31. One of the following meter is not used for measuring a DC electric quantity. Options voltmeter, ammeter, wattmeter, power factor meter. ഇതിൽ DC ഇലക്ട്രിക് ക്വാണ്ടിറ്റി അളക്കാൻ ഉപയോഗിക്കാത്തതാണ് ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി, പവർ ഫാക്ടർ മീറ്റർ. 32. One of the following instrument gives multiple electric quantities from a connected circuit. Answer option A, TOD meter. 33. The easiest way to identify a PMMC instrument is. Answer is option A, uniform scale. 34. In 2 wattmeter method of 3-phase power measurement, when the power factor is 0.5 lagging, answer option B, 1 wattmeter will read total power. 35. The range of a voltmeter can be extended by. Answer is option A, connecting a high value resistor in series with the meter. 36. A synchronoscope is used for options: power factor measurements, energy measurements, frequency measurement, none of the above. Answer is option D, none of the above. 37. Which of the following meter having the possibility of creeping error? Options: voltmeter, power factor meter, energy meter, watt meter. Answer: energy meter. 38. Which of the following is a step up transformer? Answer: option C, current transformer. 39. A CRO is not used for voltage measurement, current measurement, phase measurement and frequency measurement. Answer is option B, current measurement. 40. Which of the following can be used for inductance measurements? Answer is option A, Maxwell bridge. 41. Which of the following is an electrical safety requirement? Answer is option A, use IS specified material for all installation. 42. Which of the incorrect first aid provided to a person who have an electric hazard? Answer is option A, immediately give drinking water. 43. Which of the correct statement for an electrical installation? Answer is option C, a switchboard is to be installed so that its bottom lies 1.25 meter above the floor. 44. Which one of the following is wrong for testing of insulation resistance between the wiring and earth? Options: main switch is in off position, B, main fuse is taken out, C, all the switches are in off position, D, all other fuses are in position. Answer is option C, all the switches are in off position. 45. In a lighting subcircuit, the total load per number of points shall be limited to option B, 800 watt per 10 points. 46. Which one of the following is an indication of fully charged 12 volt battery? Answer is option C, specific gravity of electrolyte is 1.21. 47. Which of the following is an electrolyte in lead acid battery? Answer is option C, dilute sulfuric acid. 48. The capacity of battery is expressed in. Answer is option C, ampere hour. Which type solar cell is more efficient? Answer is option B, monocrystal. 50th question. What number of cells required for get 24 volt terminal voltage of a lead acid battery? Answer is option C, 12. 51st question. One of the following is a temporary wiring. Answer option A, loop wiring. 52. Which type of wiring is not suitable where acid or alkalis are likely to be present? Answer option D, lead sheath wiring. 53. The highest specification of wire used for domestic wiring is option B, 1 square mm, 1100 volt PVC insulated wire. 54. As per IS specification, maximum current carrying capacity of 1.5 square mm copper wire is option B, 10 ampere. 55. The material used for fuse element is option B, an alloy of tin and lead. 56. The most commonly used fuse in house wiring is option C, KitKat fuse. 57. One of the material is not used as filler in the HRC fuse. Option D, graphite powder. 58. One of the switch is used as isolator or star delta starter. Option C, ICTP. 59. Standard size of copper plate for plate earthing is option B 60 into 60 cm into 3.15 mm. 60. MCB used for electrical installation is option B overcurrent protection. 61. In DC machine the yoke is made up of option A cast steel. 62. The armature of the DC machine is laminated in order to reduce option B eddy current loss. 63. In DC machine the armature winding is placed on rotor to option B facilitate commutation. 64. In a DC machine the number of armature segment is equal to option C number of coils. 65. The parallel path of an 8-pole duplex lap winding will be option C 16. 66. Carbon brushes are preferable to copper brushes due to option D they reduce sparking. 67. The speed of a DC motor can be controlled by options applied voltage, its flux, armature circuit resistance, option D all of the above. Answer is option D all of the above. 68. Motor starters are essential for option C is the right answer avoiding excessive starting current. 69. The efficiency of a DC motor when developing maximum mechanical power will be option A less than 50%. 70. If the load current and magnetic flux of a DC motor are held constant and voltage applied across its armature is increased by 5%, the speed of the motor will option D increases by 5%. 71. The primary and secondary of a transformer are coupled. Option B is the right answer magnetically. 72. A two-winding transformer operates at a maximum efficiency when its option C copper loss equals iron loss. 73. The transformer that does not provide electric isolation is option D is the right answer auto transformer. The synchronous speed of a three-phase induction motor having 20 poles and connected to a 50 Hz source is answer is option A 300 rpm. 75. In a squirrel cage induction motor, the maximum torque developed under running condition is option C is the right answer much higher than full load torque. 76. The purpose of starting winding in a single phase induction motor is to option A is the right answer produce rotating flux in a conjunction with the main winding. 77. The stator of an alternator is identical to that of a option B three-phase induction motor. 78. An under-excited alternator supplies option C leading VAR. 79. The damper windings are used in alternators to option A prevent hunting. 80. A resistance split phase induction motor is used for option B is the right answer low initial loads. 81. The decimal equivalent of 101111.1101 of base 2 is answer is option D 47.8125 of base 10. One nibble is, option A is the right answer, a string of 4 bits. 83. If A and B are input of an exclusive OR gate circuit, its output Y is given by, option A, Y equal to A into B complement plus A complement into B. 84. The Boolean expression Y equal to A into A plus B, when it is simplified, it becomes A. 85. The minimum number of flip-flop required to build a mod 20 counter is, option D is the right answer, 5. 86. The fan out of a logic gate is, option A, the number of subsequent circuit which the gate can drive. 87. How many 7483 ICs are required to add 2 bytes data? Option B is the right answer, 2.